What are you doing?
There are these little curves. They're fun. They're like a little curve. You roll on, see how far you can get. Try to see how far you can go with it.
Balance beam?
Little balance beam. Up.
Ooh, that was a good one. That was a good one.
Look at the beautiful water, everyone.
So nice. Siesta Key. Ooh, you got little moves. You going down to the water? Let's go down and take a look at the water. Hi people. Happy Saturday. Or Sunday. Sunday. We are down Siesta Key Beach.
Super nice down here.
Super nice. Here's some dogs. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful Sunday day. We're gonna get in that water here hopefully after we're done, aren't we?
Yeah.
You think so?
Yeah.
You're pretty sure of that?
Pretty soon. I'm already really hot and squinty.
You're snarling.
Yeah. I forgot my glasses.
See you guys.